Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast sticks at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of day-old bread, such as brioche or challah, for the best texture. For the custard, combine 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a dash of cinnamon. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for cooking. Now let's prepare the batter and bread. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and cinnamon until everything is smoothly combined. Next, take each slice of bread and cut it lengthwise into 3 or 4 uniform sticks. Finally, dip each bread stick into the custard, ensuring it's fully coated but not overly saturated. It's time to cook these delicious sticks. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once hot, place your coated French toast sticks in a single layer. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning until all sides are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your homemade French toast sticks are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, a dusting of powdered sugar, or fresh berries. These are perfect for a quick breakfast or a fun snack. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.